What's up, guys? This is Savik. I'm doing my first ever little trade recap of some trades I mentioned in my Discord server strictly for trading. Um, as you can see, on May 11th, I posted some due diligence to everyone in my server, my team, my crew. Had some partners. You get 369 is one of my partners. Basically, we looked into Technoglass and we analyzed it, and we thought to ourselves, this is a very good stock for like a midterm, long-term investment. And you're probably thinking, why are we picking Technoglass? And it is because tech is getting screwed right now, and tech everybody's moving out of tech, moving into a variety of spaces. Technoglass isn't even in the U.S. market. They're central in Colombia, and they've been on a rampage this year, and I'm not here to miss out on this. Basically, the bull patterns are clear as day for midterm to long-term trading. This is the most flagrant bull pattern there is, and there's no reason for us not to get in on this. So basically, I sent this around 1719, around that range. So it was just right here. This is whenever I found it, and we decided to get in on it. 1719 dropped a little bit, got some on the buyback, on the pullback, I mean, and basically jumped $2 within 9 days. This was a very successful trade. Here is update whenever it hit 22.33. This is one of my trade recaps of my position. Very small position. I made this a medium risk, which I will be teaching about in my Discord server if you guys join. That's TGLS. Very, very, very bullish. It tends to stabilize after its big gains. I think, yeah, it broke its 52-week high, which was like 16, and it's just in an immeasurable amount right now. Its breakout price, it's just unmeasurable because breakouts after like 5-year highs tend to be ballistic. So we're holding this. We're holding this. I have a stop loss at 16.43, and I don't think it's gonna drop yet. I think it has potential. My price target's around 27 to 30 within this year. So that's the first trade. I'm gonna go to my Robinhood and look at some of my option calls. I have a small position in this. I'm only risking $540 for some contracts in SPYV, and SPYV is a budget SPY um, ETF. So like it's more affordable because it's based off the SPY. It's just cheaper, and you can get things for cheaper off this. Obviously, it doesn't move as much, but I have this call, I think, yeah, so it expires 12/17. So basically, I have all year for this to break 42. Noted out in my mind. I'm thinking to get out when the contract's worth at least, I don't know, I guess I would say this is just like, I don't know when enough profit it is. I'll probably sell a couple months before uh, the actual thing. This was also in my Discord. Basically SPYV. We can go into velocity. Velocity I actually didn't get into, and luckily it dropped. But this could be a good position. I'm not gonna look into it because I'm not that. This is kind of like it's a medium risk, so I put medium risk. So it's like it's not that crazy. It's not that good of a play. TGLS was a medium risk too, but it broke out its high, which makes it even like better in a sense to trade because the gains could be short term and make you a lot of money in the short term. Agro is actually a really good one. I had a whole chart analysis on my Discord. I will be linking my Discord in my description, video description, so you guys can access that. Join, learn if you want. I have I just joined. I have class RSVPs, so I'm only going to be teaching in Discord, not anywhere else. It's free. Just hit me up, join my server, hit me up, and we can get into it. I have one class set for tomorrow, actually, so it's pretty neat. Due diligence. Yeah, so my position right here in aggro, go into it. I have a whole in-depth detail why I joined this. Basically, I've seen this pattern millions times before. It's on a bullish spring and it's breaking its resistance levels. Right now, this is the first resistance level. Broke it, killed it. Broke the second, broke its 2018 high, I think. Not sure, but basically, it's on a rampage right now. It's looking hot. We're looking to break this high of 1391. I think it can do it within this year. Place this as a, what did I put it as? Medium risk, mid long term. So that's why I bought contracts. It's medium risk. It's not high risk. On high risk, I tend to buy shares over contracts, because contracts you can lose all the money you put in. Shares, it's almost impossible to lose the money you put in. All of it, at least. You can maybe lose some, but you won't lose all of it. In contracts, you lose all of your money if it doesn't work out in your favor. I'm really confident about this. It reminds me of literally TGLS. We'll look into TGLS right now and see the similarities. Basically, big drop right here. TGLS, this is why I got into aggro. It's because simply it's repeating the pattern that I've seen multiple times before. When it breaks this, you know it's on a bull run, goes ballistic, keeps breaking resistance levels, and we'll take this back over here. Literally breaking resistance. It's on a rampage. This is as bullish as it gets. Newer high lows continuously. It's just upward trending. Like, I don't know why. I mean, and it started upward trending at the end of 2020. 2021 has been treating it amazingly. I think by the end of this year, it'll break its high. I'm honestly going to give it 6 months. I think within 6 months, it's going to break its high of 1391. And it's going to be unmeasured by then. I'm looking for some exponential gains right here, especially with my contracts. I have a $15 call. When does this expire? That's how confident I am. I have a $15 call, down a little bit money. It doesn't really matter. My expiration's on 9/17. So I have literally 4 months. That's how confident I am that it's going to break $15 within 4 months. And why I say that, it's because literally the past 4 months, it's gone up $4 and it's increasing in value. Actually, it's past 5 months, it's gone up freaking $6. Okay, yeah. So I mean, it's continuously getting more volume every single day. I think this is a really good trade. I'm really bullish on this. High earnings. Financials are good. They're also a European company. Right now, I'm avoiding the U.S. Basically, that's what I'm doing. I had a lot of shares in Plug, CCIV, made profit off them, sold it really high, bought it back low, and it's just not moving. It's just not doing anything I like, so I'm not really in that. Let's see. Actually, we can look at that real quick. Plug. Yeah, see, very, very. Oh, this is gonna be. You guys are actually getting this play first. Apps is a really good short opportunity right now. It just started its bullish run after stabilizing around 75 to the 95 range. It's finally broken that support level, and now I'm really confident that this is going to be a very, very bearish stock within the next 2 months, 3 months. I think it's going to hit $35, to be fair. And I'm going to have a short position, and I'll update you guys on that when I do it. I'm thinking about Friday, tomorrow, the 21st of May. Probably will buy a short position in this. It's gonna be in my server. Like I said, I post my as fast as I can. I'm not getting paid for this. This is all free. Um, I post all my trades usually the same day I trade it. Within like 10 minutes of when I trade it, I usually post it in DD. I'm gonna show you guys right here the due diligence, techno glass. Um, the SPYV, financials, all this stuff, my contracts, everything. Yeah, I mean, that's my recap. TGLS, we're up. My team's up. Everyone in that chat, that's literally one of the first trades within a span of 15 days since I started opening up this to everybody. We're already up, and we're up almost $3 a share. I mean, uh, I can't say anything, but I told you so. You know, I've been doing this for 5 years, of course. I see these patterns, and I know I can't hesitate on These are golden prime buying opportunities, and I will be teaching that in my Discord. Um, Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you're interested in more of this. This is literally my first video. I'll take recommendations on what to do next or how to lay out my videos. Literally, I'm going in blind. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed,